Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's what's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So I'm thanking you in advance if you choose to do that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed on this huge platform. So again, I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is turning into such a Boxycharm day for me. This is the day that we do our choice at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. I just ended doing my choices, and then we got a delivery from Boxycharm. How amazing is that? What a fantastic, fantastic day. So I've made my selections. As you know, on my channel, I get 2 base boxes and 2 premiums that I pay for, but they're on separate accounts. So I had to go into 2 different areas to choose what I wanted to choose, and what's great is there's usually at least a couple of options that I want. However, this time around on the premium, I really was hesitant on for sure the second item, I really wasn't that sure about, as well as on the first, there was one I 100% wanted. So I think I ended up choosing the same item in both boxes. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I'm not going to get completely 2 of the exact same boxes, but you never know. But I still think it's an amazing, amazing deal, because even at the premium at $40, like $39.99, you're still, get 6 products, and you're paying, on the average anywhere, between $7 a product. So to me, that's amazing, because even if I wanted those items and I would go into the Boxycharm pop-up, it would be like $18 or $24 for those items. So to me, it's if you're a makeup lover like I am, and a skincare lover, and you want to try new things, and you also have, for me, I have a channel and I have other people that I'm able to give gifts to who enjoy this type of products, but they don't have access to it. So for me, it's a win-win to do it that way. And I found that I'm not shopping as much on the Boxy pop-ups, because whatever I would have bought a second item on, sometimes I've received that already in my box. So let's get started on this, because I'm really, really excited, because this is the first base box for the month of January. I cannot believe how early the channel is getting these boxes. Like I said, all of these are under my personal name, and I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share this. Okay, the first one is an item that I chose for this box. This is from the brand called Farmacy. And I knew nothing about this brand until Boxycharm introduced it to us years ago. And it was such a phenomenal product. It was called the Honeymoon something. And I ended up using it as an overnight serum, which is what it was intended for. And I could not believe within the next day, the results that I got from that product. So ever since then, this brand has been on my radar. And then when I went to buy it, it was way before Boxycharm had add-ons or pop-ups or any of that. I went directly to their website, and that serum that was in then, I think a $20 box, was like over, $40 or $50 serum. So we have access to brands and products that you might not know when the box introduces it to you, but then you're on that wave when it does get noticed from the larger community of beauty. And Farmacy is one of those that I'm telling you is one that I'm so happy that Boxycharm introduced me to. So this one is called the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum, and it comes in this full retail box, and this is the bottle that's inside, and it says it's a skin plumping micro feeling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. It is a powerful formula that features advanced multi-molecule, excuse me, I'm so excited. This has been such a crazy day. Multi-molecule hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. This is a $44 value on its own. I just put on, before we sat down here, the Maracuja lip from Tarte. I am enjoying this so much. It's the first time it's been sitting on my counter, and I realized I had to film, so I went to put something on my lips. They're so plump and so juicy. I cannot believe how moist my lips are feeling, so I apologize. All right, here we go. This is what the serum looks like here, and let's just do a little swatch test on this. It has a scent to it that is like almost, to me it smells like honey. I'm gonna have to check the ingredients and everything out, but that's the scent that I'm smelling. If you've had this product, can you share with me in the comments down below if you get the same, you know, scent feeling that I am? Like I said, it smells like honey. All right, the next item in here is a brand that I have told you guys about and I'm enjoying so much. This brand I got introduced to through another box, and this is from this brand called Dermelect. And this is the Revitalite Eyelid Dark Circle Corrector. It came in this box, and this is the item inside. The product that I used and I recommended to you guys because when I ended up enjoying it so much and it was available as a choice item in another box, I grabbed it, was the Overnight Serum from this brand. The scent on this is not the most pleasant, but the results that you will receive from these products are really good. So I'm excited to get something else from this brand. This is called I said the Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. This alone is a $59 value. Remember, we're talking the base box. This is the box that is under $30, which is crazy. This is powered by the multi-peptides and tightening agents. This eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. This is a light diffusing pigment that intensely blurs imperfections and will conceal the damage, while the smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator stimulates circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and to rejuvenate our eyes. Wow. Okay, so this is this miracle product. This is what this looks like here. And these tips are so fantastic. They are like cooling when you put it on your eyes, and it enables you also to push the product around, which is also amazing. All right. There is no scent to this at all. And like I said, right away, you put this tip to your hand. It's a very cooling to your, under your eye is really cooling. Really excited about that. Okay, it does not have an oily feel to it at all. It has more of a creamy type of feel to it. And it feels like your skin just drinks it in. Really excited about that. Okay, the next one confused me a little bit. And if you're not familiar, I open up everything prior to sitting down here to take a picture for Instagram. If you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is Truewants with the number 2. And I was shocked when I saw this in the box, because this is a product that I have shared with you on my channel. And it is one now that is turning into one of the #1 brands at Sephora. And it's called LYS. And I think it stands for Love Yourself or something like that. So this one is really exciting because, like I said, I had this as an option in my premium last month to choose it. And I wanted this product so much that I chose it in a light in one box and a medium in the other, which I brought out here. So I will swatch that for you as well. But this one they put in my box under the 10, which my beauty profile, I don't know why they would choose 10 for me, but they did. So now I have it in light, medium, and 10, which is great for you guys because I'll be able to swatch them all. This one here is a velvety in texture. This is a creamy, easy to blend bronzer. I think today I ended up using this in medium because I've been wearing the light one and I've been enjoying it. And I figured I would try the darker color today. I'm always trying new things on my face. So when I sit down on the camera, you know, I don't always know if something's going to arrive or not going to arrive. So I'm always trying to test new things. So this one here says it is a velvety in texture. This clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and a stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. It's formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronic, I don't know why, and green tea extract. This finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free, and this is an $18 value. These are so beautiful. If you have the opportunity to get this, you know, in the shop where it's discounted, $18 is fantastic, you know, retail, period. But this product, and this I am so impressed with. This is in this beautiful rose gold. It comes in that same triangular design, we just got in the premium that I just opened up. If you haven't seen that, I'll try to link that video down below. In the primer, which I'm wearing today as well, testing it. It was that tacky primer by the same brand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the tan one that we just received now, and I'm gonna do a quick swatch of it here. And then I'm gonna take the other ones out. This is really dark. I'm gonna take the other ones out, and usually when I get something this dark, what I'll do is I'll either use what I call the dual fiber brushes, which means they're not as, like a fluffy brush is the best way to do it. I would use that, or I will end up using this as an eyeshadow. And then the next one, I'm gonna do the medium right beside it, and then I'll try to lift all three up so I can show them to you. And that's the medium. That's what I'm wearing on my skin today. And then let me just, I have a wet cloth and a dry cloth right beside it. And then we have the light, which is the one that I've been enjoying, and that is this one here, and that's all three. So it's light, medium, and tan. So the difference between the light and the medium is just the medium one I feel gives a little bit more warmth, and the tan is definitely a lot darker. So let me see if I can lift these up in a way that you guys can see them all. So yeah, I think we're good. Okay, so we have light, medium, and tan, and those are the three of those. So I think it shows better on the swatches, but that is the colors right there. All right, okay, so that is what I got there. All right, the next item is the one that I'm really excited about. This is from this brand called Item Beauty, and they said they're gonna release on the 12th the confirmation of who is gonna be in the Glam X as the collaborator for Ipsy's Glam X for the month of February. But they were hinting in last month so much about this Johnny Weir. And then now lately, more recently, they're showing a woman with beautiful hair and all these little sneak peeks. And a lot of the girls on Instagram are saying that it is Adison Ray. And that is the girl who is responsible for Item Beauty. And if you haven't tried the products from Item Beauty, you are in for a huge treat if you are not familiar with her at all. First of all, a little bit just about Item Beauty, and it's a makeup brand that was launched August of 2020. The Item founder and chief innovative officer is a TikTok star, and her name is Adison Ray. And she is the co-founder of the brand with Made by Collective. When Made, and I've shared with you so many times in this channel that Made by Collective also is responsible for, I'm going so blank. Anyways, it's a sister brand of Ipsy, and they created Item Beauty as a healthy dose of self-love that she wanted to get involved in all these type of products. And her products, I've tried her mascara, I've tried her lip products. Everything that I've tried from this brand has been an absolute home run. I want to, Complex Culture is the other one that is also made under the Made by Collective, which is that sister of brand of Ipsy. And it's great because Ipsy has gotten throughout the years, you know, they were the ones that started, I think, right after Birchbox to give us the sample sizes. And Michelle M., who is like so responsible for so much for the beauty community, was involved with Ipsy when it started as well. And the excitement about it is that these brands from Ipsy, all these brands, everything they've learned, you know, going to the manufacturers and learning about the products and seeing what all of us were writing back in our reviews of what we liked and didn't like, they created this sister company that's called Made by Collective. And then that company, they have taken everything that they have learned and all that information, and they ended up creating these brands with others. And it started, you know, with Complex Culture. There's one now that they made also with Becky G, I think, which is the Tres Soleil, and Item Beauty. And Item Beauty became so popular so quickly that it's also already involved and available in Sephora. So really excited for her. But I'm telling you, the products are what I'm all about, not who's, you know, behind all of it. And these products are absolutely fantastic. So this came in this retail packaging. This is what this item is here. And this one is called the Lip Quick Moisturizing Lip Oil, and it's in what they call Come Through. And it says, thanks for 2 good for you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia seed oil, shea butter. This is a luscious gloss that forms a juicy boost to hydration that keeps your lips soft and kissable and this is a $14 product on its own. So let's open this up, look at the doe foot applicator, and then we'll do a quick swatch. That is what this looks like here, and yeah. It has a really different, oh, it's beautiful. It has a really different applicator to it. I'm gonna try to do it a little up close so you guys can see. It goes in almost like in a half C, like a half moon there, and then it has the other side that is like a normal applicator. So this will really hug your lips beautifully. Really, really excited about that. And lip oils are such a treat. Also, if you want it, you know, you can line your entire lip with a lip liner and then just use this as an all-over gloss. But lip oils to me are everything and more. So excited about that. The last item is one that I received in a previous box, but like I said, the boxes do not communicate with each other if they're in two different accounts, which is what I have. And it is the two sponges from the brand called Araceli Beauty. And this is the Bella Sponge Duo. And it says blended out, set to the stage for a seamless, smooth blend of this super soft sponge duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, your concealer, your cream products need to bake. The point is a precise application of powder, your complexion collection, and the Araceli Bella sponge is the answer. Two of these they're saying are $24. Just give me a sec. Okay. All right. These are two of the shapes that are very similar to the Beauty Blender. They feel like they are soft. Like I said, I did get these. They're sitting in my area where I have so many sponges to try. I have not tried these yet, so if you have, please share it in the comments down below. And that's everything that I got in my first base box for January 2022. I hope you guys receive your boxes soon too, because this is so exciting that I'm receiving my boxes so early in the month, that I'm able to share it with you, that if you don't get these boxes, you'll be able to know more about the products. And if you do get these products and you didn't get the ones that I have in my box and they're available in the pop-up is open now, so you guys will be able to access that as well. Thank you to everybody who has been part of the growth of this channel. I know that I have so much information in my head that I try to share so much with you guys, and I appreciate so much in the comments that you guys are enjoying my content as well as the information that I'm able to share. As you know, we hit that 3,000 mark in the middle of December. And, you know, you guys shared with me about, because I don't watch the numbers, and it's so appreciative that you guys do, and that you brought it to my attention so that I was able to put together a huge box of the products, because as you know on my channel I do get a lot that I'm able to share some of that with you guys, and to do it during a celebration is when I like to do it, unless I get duplicate eyeshadow palettes and things like that. So if you have not signed up for the giveaway, please, I will leave that video also linked down below. Watch it. I'm able to share with you a little bit about the journey, and the giveaway we're going to keep open for the month of January. So everybody who is catching up on my videos, and I'm so happy that you guys do, that you'll be able to enter it as well. All right. During this time, it is so important with everything that's going on that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well and that we can end up enjoying so much together. All right. See you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.